escape. I don't even know where I'm at. Hey guys, your girl Sandra D here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, obviously you can tell by the title down below, we're going to be starting a decluttering series on my channel. I just have been getting so much makeup recently from my subscription boxes and just other stuff that I've been purchasing at the same time, and I just feel like my drawers are just a little bit too, sorry, I almost dropped the camera, just a little bit too full. So we're going to start off with my lip drawer today, just because looking at this, like, I just feel like I have so many lip products, it's ridiculous. Some of it's open, some of it's unopened. So basically what I'm just going to go ahead and do is just go through it all and figure out what I'm going to go ahead and keep. Other stuff I could probably pass on to a family member or a friend that wants my gently used makeup. And then the other stuff, just put it to the side for future giveaways or things like that. So if you guys are interested in watching my declutter series and kind of me just going through my drawer, then just go ahead and keep on watching. But you know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get it. Alright, so if you guys didn't know, I do have my Alexa drawers that are right here. This one's more like bigger makeup, so like blush, bronzers, what else is in here? Highlighters, primers and stuff like that. Then I have the other Alexa drawer, which is right in front of me. I've got eyeshadow palettes, foundations, mascaras, all that kind of gist. If you guys want to see a more in-depth video of like my drawers and stuff, I will link that video down below for you guys, so you can go ahead and check that out. But today we are going over lip products. So this is my lip drawer that I have right here. I had it kind of categorized out into like by like color scheme, I guess, but then now it's just a little bit out of control. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys down and off to the side, and then we're just gonna go ahead and just jump into it so you guys can kind of see. I think this is a good angle for you guys. You won't be able to see my face, but obviously you'll be able to kind of see what I'm going through at the moment. So let me close my door really quickly because my dog's kind of loud. Close enough. Okay, so a lot of this is unopened, which is like the funny part of it, and some of it is opened, or some of it's just not used. So I'm kind of going to try and make this video as short and seamless as possible, but things just happen. So, like, this is just like an empty box. What am I doing? Okay. So, for stuff that I know that I've been wanting to do in future giveaways have actually been in this little container right here. So, I've got another one. This looks like the Sugar Coat. This is the double feature. I don't know what that is. So, I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff to the side. But yeah, there's a decent amount of products in here that aren't open, that aren't used, that I kind of put away for future giveaways and stuff like that. It looks like I've got some lip smackers that I found at the dollar store. Some Wet n Wild stuff. I actually went to the dollar store recently, so I'm going to be doing a dollar store haul, kind of showing you guys, or just like an accumulative haul, because I've purchased a lot of stuff recently, and I kind of just want to show you guys what I've got. But anyway, so this is another Bite Beauty that's unopened, so we're going to put that off to the side. I don't know what this is, so this is Lauren Conrad. I don't think I used this one either. I know some of this is used, but I don't think this one is. So, nope, not used at all. So, put that off to the side with the other stuff. Wow, I don't even know what I'm doing here. I do know I've used this. And that stuff I haven't used yet, but I do want that. That's not used, so that can go over there. That's not used. That can go in here, I guess. It's like an overflow. And then the rest of this, I kind of just don't even know what this is right now, to be honest. Like, this one just has like random stuff in it. I thought this one was the one that I had that was like unused stuff, so I think I'm just going to kind of take that and put that over here, I guess. So like have two unused piles for like giveaways and things. So we'll just kind of manage it like that for right now, I guess. Jesus, what is all of this? It's very overwhelming right now at the moment to kind of figure it out. But I know there's stuff I want to get rid of and throw away. So I'm going to grab this like pail right here and just kind of figure out. This has like empty boxes in it. I don't even know why there is empty boxes in this. So that needs to go to the trash. Well, I guess that is a trash bin. So the stuff I'm going to go ahead and like trash, I guess I'll throw in here. The other stuff that I think I'm going to go ahead and just give away, I'll put somewhere else, I guess. Okay. So I have some other lip products that I haven't used before. Oops, I think I just kind of scraped that. These are by, who are these by? Oh my god, what is this brand? With the C on top? I can't even think about it, who this is. Is this Lancome? Or Ciate? Or Clinique? Haha, these are Clinique. These are unused as well. These are from a holiday package. I got this as a gift from my friend. So, yeah. These are really pretty colors, but I feel like I have stuff like this already. So I don't know if I really want to keep it. Like, here's a whole nother one. I haven't used that one yet, but that was a beautiful red. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that one. It's like a really beautiful, like, dark mauve color. That one's sweating. That's weird. Some of these colors just aren't my vibe, though, at the same time. So, like, I appreciate the gift. I think I really do like this color, though. So we're going to keep that one. I think I'm going to go ahead and put these two off to the side to possibly, like, pass on. This is the Whitney Simmons collaboration. I just wasn't really wowed by it. So I guess that's something, I don't know what to do with it quite yet. So there's that. This is Hank and Henry. I really do like this formula. I've used it a few times, so okay, I don't think I've ever used this one. This is by JCat, and yeah, I don't think I've ever used that. So we can just put that off to the side to give off to someone. Oh, the So Glossy lip glosses by ColourPop. I don't even know what to do. Okay, first of all, let's just like pull shit out. These are the ones by Laura Lee, Los Angeles. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and keep those. These are lip glosses by Chi Chi. I don't know if I've used these yet. I don't think I have. I bought so much stuff from Chi Chi, which is like an Australian brand, or New Zealand, something like that, and then I just kind of just like forgot about that I bought that stuff. So we're gonna pass that on. The Maybelline lifter glosses have to stay. Love those way too much. Same thing with the Fenty Beauty one. Hank and Henry can stay. Did I use this one? I did use this one, but it is what it is. What about this? Oh, I do remember this. This is, I haven't even used this one yet either. So that's by XO Beauty, so that's going to stay. The e.l.f. Ride or Die Lip Balm. I think this was horrible. That can go away. What is this? This is, I think, an unused item. Yep, an unused item. I got in a boxy charm, but it doesn't have a box, so that can go over here. Okay, this is the Lorac one. I don't think I want it, so I don't even know what to do with some of this stuff. Unopened and unused Flower Beauty. This is, I used to love this, but it's like destroyed, so we're going to get rid of this. But this is a really good formula, Physicians Formula. Flower Beauty, brand new, haven't even touched it, used it, opened it. That can go over here. Alright, moving on to like these neutral colors. Where am I on time? 8 minutes in. Jesus Christ, Sandra. Alright, if I have to speed through this, I'm just going to go ahead and speed through this, guys. I'm sorry. used. Pass that on. I've had this for like so long. I've had these for like so long. Like, I love them, but they're like so old. Oh, I don't even know what to do. I really like that deep color. That one can go. Had these like lip pencils for like so long. It's a NARS one I could probably pass on. I don't think I've ever even used this one. No, I have used this one. Trisic. I've used this one like once. Someone can just like sharpen that and just go off. Okay. So we're gonna keep those. I don't know where to categorize these are at. Oh, I fucking love these. Still love these. Stop it. Okay, we're gonna keep this. So Okay, so this is everything I'm passing on, which is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 items that I'm gonna go ahead and pass on. And then as for the amount of stuff that I threw away, that's a different story. No clue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28 as a total for that, which is nuts. Alright, so here is our final drawer all put back together again. So much less clutter. I'm loving this. Again, I love cleaning, deorganizing, decluttering, and obviously now I figured out all this new stuff that's right here that can be given away and giveaways and stuff like that. And then obviously all the items right here that I can pass on to friends and family. But yeah. So that is the end of this video. If I'm in frame, not in frame, don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my declutter series right now at the moment for lip products. Obviously I'm going to be trying to go through every drawer, or kind of maybe trying to combine them all together if I can. And this video may or may not be long because I'm probably going to fast forward in certain areas just to kind of make it shorter. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this. So you know the gist. If you like videos like this, actually before I do that, preface that. So obviously I talked to you guys about how there's like giveaway stuff in here. I do giveaways twice a month. Sometimes. Once a month. Anyways, I'm trying to do more giveaways. Obviously you guys know I'm so close to 400. I keep prefacing that, and I guess I'm just trying to figure out what kind of content you guys really want from me and what you guys are interested in. I hope that the stuff that I'm doing is stuff that you guys are interested in. I'm not really sure, but just leave me your thoughts down below. But if you want to be a part of my channel, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. I would appreciate it so much. And again, so you can be a part of my giveaways. I do have a giveaway going on right now, which ends on Father's Day, which is June 20th. And obviously I'll be doing another giveaway because I just got all of my subscription boxes behind me. You can see right there. So it's about to go down, and this camera is way too heavy for this tripod, so that's why it keeps moving. Anyways, I love you guys so much. So you know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and I will see you in the next one. All right, bye.